Miracamp is an online school, but for this event, we brought the experience offline to teach what we usually do in a new format with real-time feedback, energy, and human connection.
We had the honor of training 200 motivated and creative individuals in the Bahamas with one goal: to learn how to create better content and how AI can make it even smarter.
In partnership with the OWN Bahamas Foundation, we led a 2-day masterclass focused on action, not just theory. No fluff, just real tools, creative challenges, and tangible outcomes.
We were thrilled to share our perspective on the evolution of social media, on what it takes to succeed today, but more importantly, we coached each participant closely, helping them bring to the screen the stories and ideas they've been carrying for years.
In just a few hours, participants scripted, filmed, and edited their own videos.
Many had never touched an editing tool before, and yet they nailed it.
Fast learning, bold creativity, and stories worth sharing.
We've been happy to see how our approach gave them real, usable skills, tools they now can apply every day, whether at work or their own pages online.
Digging deeper into my talents and realizing what I can do, it really impressed me.
It made me feel like I'm entering a new world, and it felt quite mesmerizing.
I'm really grateful for the skills I've acquired in this short amount of time.
Thank you, Miracamp.
Experiences like this remind us, learning must evolve.
And when organizations, schools, or companies invest in hands-on training, the impact can be faster than anybody expects.